Good morning. Today I want to talk about a very important subject, the easy way to heat the basement in a steam system. The easy way to heat the basement in a steam system. I think this is a very important subject that usually everyone that has an old house with a steam system need to heat the system. And let's see what's going on. The easy way to heat the basement consists of the following components. We have a thermostat, we have a heat controller, we have fans, and we have, of course, the steam furnace. Now let's see what are the components that you will need in order to do this heating of the basement. The parts that you will need are the following: fans, thermostat, electrical wires, and basic knowledge in electricity. And see please the note below, and of course the heat controller. For further information, you can contact me at daveross100@gmail.com. Important note, a licensed electrician needed. Now, what do we need to do this? The following parts are needed: a fan. A regular fan can do it. You can put also other fans and things like this. A thermostat, a regular thermostat, this or anyone else. And the idea is the following. In a regular basement, we have piping. Hot piping, the pipes that are going in the basement to the first floor and the house above, and the return piping. Those, especially the ceiling piping, are giving the heat to the ceiling. And you don't use them, you lose them, you lose the heat. The idea here in this system is to use the heat of the hot pipes in order to use them to heat the basement. And in order to do it, we are using fans, and the fans will blow the air on the hot pipes. And the hot pipes, it means it can be the ceiling pipes or the return pipes, and you want to take the heat from the pipes only when the pipes are hot, and only when the thermostat is calling for heat. So therefore, you have the heat controller. The heat controller allows you to take the heat from the pipes only when they are hot enough. We can show it also in this controller cycle. The controller cycle, you see this, how it's working. It's working in such a way that will start when the pipe is hot, will stop when the pipe is cold, and according to this, it will control the fans. Now, Very important here that we will not give the heat to the first floor and the second floor. We want also only to heat the basement with its thermostat when it's needed. Remember, this was the main block diagram. In order to have more information, you are welcome to write me to daveross100@gmail.com. It maybe seems complex, but it is very easy, and I recommend very much to have more information, and I will be more than happy to give you more information. It's simple. Now I want to show something. How is the regular way, let's call it the common way, to add the heating, to heat the basement in a steam system in a house that has a one thermostat. Here I show a block diagram of this thing. We see here the steam furnace. We are taking the hot water from the drainage pipe, going to a pump. The hot water is going to a radiator, and the cycle is that we are going back to the return pipes of the furnace. If you see, and on this side. Now, look how much this thing is complex. Again, we have, of course, heat controller, we have a thermostat, and see what is the advantage and disadvantage of the easy way to heat the basement compared to the common way that I know about to heat, the common method that I know about how to heat the basement. What will you need in order to do the common way? You will need a licensed electrician. You will need a licensed plumber. You will need piping to go all over the basement. You will need water radiators. You will need heat controller. You will need a water pump. You will need a thermostat and wires and TBD, to be defined, something else that you will need in order to do it. You see here that there is a very complex work that contain those piping and welding and things like this. In my experience, the easy way of heating the basement using fans is a lot more easy. Even it seems to you that it is very complex. I can tell you that everyone that has electrical and mechanical skills can do it easily. Of course, it's needed the electrical things to do by a licensed electrician. Basically, the electric is easy to the controller of the furnace, and this is usually low voltage, 24 volt, and the only thing that has the 110 volt is the fans, that they need the control for the fans. If you need further information, you are welcome to contact me at Daveross100@gmail.com. Daveross100@gmail.com. Don't hesitate. It's a simple way and a good way to have heat in your basement. Thank you and have a great day and new heating system. Take care. Bye.